Alright guys, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in today's video guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to buy below MOQ on 1688 without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you get it done. Right here you can see the MOQ of this product here is 2, but in this regard I need just 1 pieces of this particular product. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on the logic you have to follow. First thing you have to do is to make sure you communicate with the seller. How do you do that? You have to click on here to communicate with the seller. So when you click on here, then it takes you to chat box whereby you need to chat with the seller. So this seller right here, I have already chatted them up and I have told them what I need exactly. I told them I need just 1 pieces of this. You can see it here. This is my chat with the seller and this is their response. So I was given a go ahead to place the order and they are going to reduce the price and they make the price in just a 1 quantity. So for you to follow the normal step and see how you can get it done, all you have to do is to make sure you click on the product link. So I'm going to click on the product link right away. So I have to go back. Okay, so right here, if I click here now, I want to place the order. Okay, so that's the supplier. So I'm going to place the order. So right here, I need color orange of this particular cloth right here. So for me to be sure of the color I'm choosing, let me quickly turn on the iDictionary. So right here, if you don't have iDictionary, you can just download it from your Google Play Store, then you'll be fine. So I'm going to make use of the iDictionary to translate from Chinese to English language. Okay. So right here I need orange, so I can just use this to translate. So this is pink and this is the orange. So I need orange color. Okay. So the size for the orange, I need it to be. So I need orange to be large. That's the size. So but I need just 1. Now if I click on here now to place the order, you need to see you can see what this simply means that I cannot buy less than 2 MOQ. But as for me, I still need just 1. So for you to buy below the MOQ, which means that you are going to buy just 1 pieces of this product, all you have to do is that since the seller have agreed to modify the price for you, just make sure you place the normal MOQ. So I will make it 2 now. So when I make it 2, by the time I click here, it's going to be active and then I will be able to proceed to payment. Alright, so right now you can see that this is in a 2 quantity at a price of 126 at a price of 134 RMB after adding of logistic shipping. Now, but what we need here is just a 1 quantity. Never mind. All you have to do is to click here to proceed to payment. Alright, so when you get here, make sure your Alipay is active. So I'm using Alipay to make the payment. Make sure your Alipay is active right here. It's active. So once you are your Alipay is active, come down here and click on here to make the payment. So you can see the Alipay is connecting and ready to make payment. Okay. So you can see it right here that at the payment checkout, the price has changed to 71 RMB. You can see right here, this is the price for 2. But because I have discussed with this particular seller right here, so they have told me that they are going to modify it and they are going to make it just 1. So that is why it's very much easy for me to buy below MOQ. So you must have agreed, there must be an agreement between you and your seller, okay? So right now, I will just click down right here to make payment for this product. Then right here, I will have to enter my payment password. All right, so this is just an evidence of a successful payment for a single item. So for you to be sure that this is just a single item that you paid for, all you have to do is to go back to your profile on 1688. Sorry for the. So go back to your profile on 1688. I have to go to my profile. Okay. So when you get to your profile, the successful payment order will move here. So by the time I click on here now, you will see that we are able to pay for orange color in one quantity. So let's see. So you can see the products we just paid for. Sorry for the interruption. So you can see the products we just paid for right here. We paid 71 RMB. So by the time I click on this products link right here, so this is the product we just paid for. Sorry. Okay, so we just paid for this. So you can easily screenshot this page and send it to the supplier. So for you to give a notification to the seller, all you have to do is to just click on here. And then you chat them up and tell them that payment done. Order placements. Order placement placed successful. So you have to type in English language, the keyboard change to Chinese character, then you send it to them. Okay. So you can see they reply fast. So let me translate. So I have modified it. Say yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. Then send. So this is just the process and every step you need to follow in order to buy less than MOQ on 1688 without any stress. All you have to do is to follow the step-by-step I'm taking in this video. Make sure you communicate with the seller. Let them understand what you are trying to do. They are going to do whatever you ask them to do for the fact that you are ready to buy from them. So guys, this is what I have for you as far as how you can buy less than MOQ on 1688 is concerned. If you find this value for this video, give this video a big thumb up. If you would like me to procure your link on 1688, or you want to learn how you can be a successful procurement agent, or you want to learn how you can procure by yourself without using any agent, you can connect with me on WhatsApp via the number on the screen right here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.